Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about another strategy template that we have launched on SpeedBot. So through a series of videos on strategy templates recently, all those were based on the indicators or the technical trading indicators. So in this video, just to make things simpler for our traders, we have launched the time-based option strategy template. So to understand how the time-based option templates work, let me just give you an example. Let's say on a particular day from Monday till Friday, if you wish to capture the movements, or if you feel like today right from 9:20 or at the start of the market, if I would like to sell some particular options or buy some particular options, and on the basis of that I'll just place some targets and the stop losses on the contract itself, and whenever there is a movement, the strategy template will book the profit or the losses based on the movement on the underlying or on the movement of the contract. So this is a pretty simple strategy template that is based only on the time. So let's understand this in the template section. So over here, as usual, I've logged into my SpeedBot account. Let me just go to the templates, and this is the particular template, that is the Options Hedged Strategy template, and it is based on Bank Nifty. So currently, let's understand what type of strategy template this is and which market condition does it work. So over here, as you can see, that the strategy template uses a hedging part, that is, you will be buying the options to mitigate your risk, to limit your losses. Then it combines a combination of directional and non-directional movements that can happen in the markets. So it could be used as a robust approach to shift from directional to non-directional way whenever the market behave in such directions. So over here, like it is for the Nifty spot options, and so this is the first set, that is I believe would be for the Tuesday. So on Tuesday we'll be first of all buying the premium contracts of 10 rupees each for the call side and for the put side on current peak expiry. So these are your hedges that you will be buying at somewhere around 9:24, and over here we'll be exiting it at 250. Now here comes the main part of the Tuesday set. After buying the hedges at 9:24, we'll be the very next minute, that is at 9:25, we'll be shorting a 100 rupees put premium contract along with the call with the same premium of 100 rupees with a stop loss of 25%. Likewise, we'll be entering again, that is, we'll be again buying the hedges. Let's say if you'd like to re-enter but with some different approach to the markets, that is, you'd like to average in, then in that case you can have the entry time at 9:54, and you'll be shorting the strangle, as we can see over here, at 9:55. Make sure that we move the stop loss to the cost, and for Wednesday we'll enter at 9:54. That is, we'll be exposing the weekly patterns, that is, on different days we'll be tweaking the parameters. Based on that, we'll be shorting the positions. The strangle, likewise, we did for the Tuesday part, and likewise for other days, for Mondays, Thursdays and Fridays as well. So you can tweak such parameters once you click on the build bot button, yeah, so over here I'll be able to tweak whatever the premium value that I would like to select for the hedges, whatever premium value I would like to select for the strangle, and apart from that, let's say if I wish to place a target or a stop loss, then I'll be able to do it from my side. So this is a completely time-based strategy template that you can use. So this was about this particular template. So I hope you understand how this time-based strategy template works, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.